Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I show you have in this video low maintenance gardening is a great solution for people who love having a beautiful garden but do not have much time, energy or experience to take care of it regularly. The main goal of low maintenance gardening is to create a garden that look lovely and stays and healthy with very little effort to start. It is important to choose your right plants. Native plants are the best choices because they are already adapt to local weather, soil, and pastes, which is mean they can grow well without much help. Tolerant plants like lavender and ornamental grasses are also excellent because they do not need to frequent watering, pruning, and smart choices too because they come back and every year reducing this need to plant new flower every season. Ground covers to creeping them up. Clover can replace traditional grass lawns, which require a lot of moving, watering, and fertilizing. Mulching is another the ideal low maintenance gardening, be covering the soil with mulch made of wood, chips, and straw or leaves. You can prevent weeds to growing, keep the soil moist, and improve the soil health every time. Using a raised garden beds can also make gardening either by the reducing to need to bend down and controlling weeds to better drip irrigation system are very helpful because they are deliver water directly to roots of plant which is save water and ensure the plants to exactly what they need. Grouping plants to similar water and sunlight needs together and known to erosioning and makes to easier to care for them. Another good idea is the design the garden with simple shapes and favor plants to varieties and which is make maintenance easier and the garden look neat. Choosing slow growing and shrubs to trees and reduce the need to frequent pruning, installation, and automatic timers for watering lighting system can save a lot of time. Ensure your plant and are cared for even when you are not around. Container gardening is also the great option for low maintenance because you can control the soil quality, move plants easily and needed, and manage pests most effectively using equality and soil with good drainage is the important to prevent plant disease and reduce the need of fertilizer. Avoiding plants that are not prone to pests or disease to save your time and trouble in the future. Companion planting and where certain curtain plants to growing together to help and each other growing better and keeps away in other smart technique. For example, planting marigold with the vegetables can help ripple and insects natural reducing the lawn size. Replacing the it is with the patios, gravel paths to artificial turf can so also cut down and maintenance. Selecting plants provide the year-around interest such as evergreen of those color bark and ensure that your garden look attractive in all season without much work and keeping garden tool organized and in good condition, make maintenance tasks quicker and easier to using windbreaks like fences of the hedges can protect it to delicate plant from strong winds, reducing damage and need for repairs to installation gardening. Edging help to keep flower beds steady and prevent grass from spreading into the unwanted areas. Having a clear, the simple garden layout defined to pathways makes access to access plants of maintenance without damaging them. Composting kitchen scrap and garden waste not only reducing the trash but also creates a nutrient rich decomposts that can be used to feed plant naturally, reducing need to store and bought fertilizer. Choosing pest resistance and disease resistant plant variety can save a lot of time and would otherwise spend treating six plants. Using organic mulches not only control weed but improve soil and structure and provide nutrients as they break down. And avoiding the over fertilizing is important because it is can case a rapid plant growing to requires to more pruning and care. Installation a rain barrel can collect rainwater and for garden us saving water and money while providing to natural water reducing for plants. Simple decorative elements to like garden status bird paths of rock features can add the beauty without needing the regular care, creating a habitat for the beneficial insects like ladybugs and bees helps control pests naturally sports of garden health. Vertical gardening the using trellis wall mounted plant save space and make harvesting and care easier to plants is a cluster rather than spreading individual plant across of garden can reduce maintenance and create a fuller more attractive look. Regular but